Namaste everyone. In this video, we are going to prove the theorem if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles so formed are also equal. So first thing you need to know the statement. What does the statement say? If two lines intersect each other, that is the first part of the statement. The second part of the statement is vertically opposite angles which are formed are equal. So whenever you're going to take a theorem, the first step is you're supposed to become thorough with your statement. In this statement, something is given and you're supposed to prove some other thing which is related to whatever is the data which is given. After writing your statement, trying to understand the statement, and then you're going to draw the figure. When you're having the first part, if two lines intersect each other. So I'm having two lines here. One line is your AB. The other line is going to be your CD. These two lines are intersecting at a point O. This is what I have got. This is the first part of the statement. The second thing is the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. So I have got this here. Let me name these angles as angle number 1. This is angle number 2. This is angle number 3. And this is angle number 4. So I have named all these 4 angles here. So when I say vertically opposite angles, means the angles which are opposite to each other and they are in line like this. Say 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. So I've got here the statement. I have drawn the figure. To make it easier, I have numbered the angles which are given here. Okay. Now let me come to the data part that you are going to have. So the third step in doing your theorem is going to be your data. What is the data which is given here? So the data which is given here, we are supposed to check the first part of the statement that you are having. Okay, the first part of the statement that you are having, you're going to take it as your data. So what is the data which is given? If two lines intersect each other, this is what is given. So which are the two lines in this? You are having AB and your CD are the two lines. Okay. They are the two lines which are intersecting. Okay. Which are intersecting at a point O. Intersecting at your point O. So this is what is the data which is given. Now, what are you supposed to prove here? What are you supposed to prove? You are supposed to prove that vertically angles, okay, the vertically angles so formed are equal. So which are the vertically opposite angles that you are having? The first part is going to be angle 1 is equal to angle 3. And the second part that you are going to have is angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay, these two angles, you are supposed to prove that they are equal. Now, the next part, what am I going to do? I'll come to what we are supposed to prove. The next thing that you're having is going to be what is that you're supposed to prove? What are the steps which are required in this proof that you're having? So the next thing that I'm going to do is going to be your proof. What do we do in this proof is going to be like we are going to write it stepwise. We are going to write everything stepwise. So let me write the first step in this case. You know that OA, okay, stands, okay, OA stands on line CD, okay. OA stands on line CD. Therefore, I can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is the statement. Why do you say that? The reason being, it is nothing but your linear pair. What do? I can write this reason either in your brackets or you can put a line like this as well as write. So in this case, I'm going to put it in brackets. Since 1 and 2 are going to be linear pair, when a ray is going to stand on a line, you're going to have two angles which are so formed are going to be supplementary. That means sum of the two angles is going to be 180 degrees. Okay. Now let me come to the second one. What does the second one say? Let me consider another ray, that is OC. Okay. This OC stands, okay, OC stands on your line. Which is that line that you're having? AB. Okay. So you're having, this is the OC line, and it is going to be standing on your line AB. Therefore, I can always state that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So the reason being, when a ray is going to stand on a line, what is that you're going to have? You're going to get two angles which form your linear pair, which is the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now, notice the two equations in step number 1 as well as in your step number 2. Okay, I'm going to notice the two things that I'm having here. The step number 1, I've got angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degrees. In the second step, I have got angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. So, I can write from step number 1 and step number 2, I can always write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Fine. Okay, so what have I done? Since both the RHs are equal, so I can make the LHs also equal. So I have got angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So what is the fourth step that you're going to have? Since both of them are equal to 180 degrees, I can do this. Now, when I'm going to take this, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. I'm going to rewrite both of these. Now, angle 2 and angle 2 are both of them, both the sides you're having the same angle. So, I'm going to cancel this. So, this you're going to have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Okay. So, from this step, I have got angle 1 plus angle 3. This is what we are supposed to prove in this theorem. Similarly, if you are going to take, say, OD is going to stand on AB, 1 plus 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, OB stands on CD, therefore 3 and 4 is equal to 180 degrees. So equate that, you're going to get 2 and 4 will be equal to, 2 and 4 will be equal. You are supposed to take it that way. Okay. Therefore, similarly, I can just write, instead of writing the whole lot again, so I can write similarly, you have got angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Fine. So this is how you're going to prove the statement. So what are the few things which you have to keep in your mind whenever you're going to take this proving of your theorems? First thing, you should notice that there is going to be your statement. According to the statement, you're going to draw the figure. According to the figure, your data, what are you supposed to prove? And the proof that you're going to have it in terms of your steps that you're going to write. So this becomes easy. I hope you have understood this part of your theorem. Thank you very much for watching.